Use video pages to create a browsable library of videos on your site. With video pages, you can split your library into categories and paywall access to your content. To add a video page to your site, start by navigating to the Pages panel and select the plus icon. From here, select Videos and choose a layout. To add a new video, navigate to the Videos page and click the plus icon. Select Add a Video, and then either upload a file directly, reuse a video you've previously uploaded, or add a video URL from YouTube or Vimeo. From here, you can edit the video title, description, upload a custom thumbnail, modify the excerpt, and more. You can organize the videos on your page by selecting the Categories tab. Here you can add, edit, or delete categories. If you would like to monetize your video collection, you can add a pricing plan. This will require your viewers to either enter a fixed amount, email address, or pay a subscription to access your content. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.